Hello everyone, welcome to Stuttgart, Germany. This is EMV2025. This is From Boost to Breakthroughs EMV2025 with Min. You know you're in Germany when you receive something like this as a souvenir. Material from 3M, quite useful to replace copper tape in screen and display application. The Laplace instrument guys now have a new field meter to assess the RF exposure at workspace. I have always thought about using a drone to assess something like a radar or transmitting tower, but now this is the first time I've seen it now made into a product. This French company is proposing their wrappable shielded cable solution, which is quite neat. I've seen something similar but not as good as what they've shown here, which is quite interesting for me. Quite like the drain wire and the grounding wire on these shielded cable. Lanha EMV has some really clever ideas in troubleshooting EMI. Here just show you some of the examples. Pay attention to the block on the right. That is a clever device that can simulate the capacitance between PCB to ground. And this little device can tell you the true reason behind a reset event of a chip. And this Japanese manufacturer has a clever idea of how to predict cable radiation by using a near-field measurement technique. This is a filter connector that is often seen in military avionics application. I look at the capacitor layer, the gray blocks, always busy at the Rothschild stand. Check out these nanocrystalline cores from VAC. If you look at it, it's foil design, so cutting them is going to be extremely challenging. Look at the job they've done here. This is the EM clamp for immunity injection test. This is from Schroeder, and they inform me that they have a new ESD gun that complying with the latest ESD standard. I leave the coolest equipment in the end. Look at this equipment that they can zap a device, then rotate, then brush it again, just using a robotic arm. I guess only companies such as Apple can afford such a equipment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget our own event in May in Oxford, EMC and Compliance International.